All right, so welcome to this free traffic system review where we do all the work for you for free and you keep all the commissions to yourself. How do you like that? So if you have just recently joined our team, because a lot of people have been joining our team, so if you have just recently joined our team, what you want to do is very simple. Send me your HBA affiliate link and I will add you to our team traffic rotator where we start promoting your business for you for free. So this is what we do for our team, right? We promote your business free of charge. No strings attached. All you do, send your HBA link to me and I will add you to our team traffic rotator and we start sending traffic within 24 hours to your link. And look, like I said, we do all the work for you and you keep all the money for yourself. It's amazing, right? Now, as you can see already with this free traffic system, I have already made over $37,000 with the HBA. This is awesome, right? Really, really awesome. But let's put out an FTC disclaimer immediately, okay? Now, listen, when it comes to making money online, okay, there is no guarantee of income, okay? There is no guarantee of sale. Now, you could make more money than I have made, or you could make less than I have made, okay? Now, or you could make nothing at all. You get that? Now, for you to really make money online, it totally depends on you. It totally depends on your work ethic, your skill, your commitment, and your consistency. Do you get that, right? Now, but because you joined our team, we are giving out this free complimentary bonus to all our team members. So all you needed to do, just send me your HBA affiliate link. I'll add you to our team traffic rotator, and then we start sending free traffic to your link. That's all awesome, right? And then we are able to get you leads, build your email list, and hopefully get you sales. But like I said, the disclaimer, there is no guarantee of sales. All right? Awesome. Now, if this is your first time of coming to my channel, okay, or your first time of seeing my videos, do this to help this channel to grow, okay? Go below this video you are watching right now and click that like button, click the share button, but most importantly, click that subscribe button. Awesome, awesome. So now this is my HBA account and you can see my picture there, okay, and you can see my name and you can see that I am all in the HBA. Let me tell you one secret. If you are all in the HBA, you have the potential to earn over $500 per sale with the HBA. How do you like that? You could make over $500 per sale if you are all in the HBA. And that's why I am all in and I've got these $500 commissions over and over again. And it's so sweet, right? I know. Now, let me do something. I'm going to refresh this page so that you can see that it's not a static image. So let me quickly refresh the page. So just wait for it to load, okay? Awesome. So you can see this is an amazing company of over 10 years. And you can see already just by recommending their product and services, I have made over $37,145. Now you'll be asking, hey, what is this HBA? So we call it the HBA all-in-one $35 digital business. $35 because that is all it costs you every month to become an affiliate of this company and to be able to recommend their products and services, okay? Now, the HBA is a software company. Their products include website building software and AI automation tools, okay? So you will be able to build unlimited websites and funnel with their software. So you could build a website for small businesses, websites for churches, websites for charity organization, or website for anything, right? With this their amazing software. And you could also use their AI automation tools to advertise your businesses online. Okay, now the third product is this company offers daily life coaching and training to their members. So you can see where I learned how to market because I follow all their training instructions, right? But look at the sweet thing. It only costs you just $35 per month to become an affiliate of this company and to get your access to their softwares and services, guys. It's awesome. Not only that, if you decide to start recommending their product and services to people online, this company pays unlimited 80% monthly recurring commissions for life. So if you just get one customer, you will keep earning monthly commissions month after month, month after month, as long as that customer remain with the company. Okay, so this is amazing. So if you just get two customers, you are completely in profit. How do you like that? Awesome, right? But look at it. Another thing. If you decide to be like me and you decide to upgrade to an all-in member, you could potentially earn unlimited over $500 per sale in commissions. It's sweet, sweet, sweet with this company. But look at what if you now decide to join this company through our team. That means you decide to become part of our team, which is the community teamwork system. Now all you need to do, send your affiliate link to me and I will add you to our team traffic rotator, where we start sending free traffic to your link. It's powerful. So your system is now 100% done for you, because we will promote your link for you so that you can focus on the training and skill development that the company is offering you. How do you like that? Awesome. Now let me quickly show you the way the sales are coming in. Okay, so this is my Gmail account. I'm going to do a little search now and then just see the way the sales are pumping it. This is the HBA. You can even see, even today, I got another sale, and you can see sale, 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 sale. Sale. You can see so much sales are being made just with this our free traffic system. So if you are ready to get started with the HBA and you want to join our team, this is what you just want to do. Go below this video you are watching right now, just like this. Now, once you come below the video, go to the description and then you go to the first link that says step 1. Join the HBA all-in-one digital business. Now click that first link just like this. Now, once you click the first link, that will bring you to this capture page website. Now, all you have to do, enter your first name here, then enter your best email address here. So go ahead, enter your first name here, then enter your best email address here. Then you see the green button that says click here for free access. So go ahead, click that green button for free right now, and that will take you to the HBA video sales page. Just so you can see that. Okay, now you can go ahead and watch this training video here, but to join our team, come below the video, okay, to this small link that says click here to get started. So go ahead, click that link. Awesome. So that will now take you to our recommended product, and you can see it only costs you $35 per month. All right, but wait, don't pay yet. Okay, don't pay yet. What you want to confirm is this: scroll up a bit. Now make sure that you see my picture here and you see my name here as the one that referred you. Because if you are not under our team, there's no way we can add you to our team traffic rotator, then there's no way you are going to get the free traffic. So what you want to do, make sure you confirm my picture is here and my name is here as the one referring you. Okay, now you come back to the recommended package. It's just $35 per month, and you can see the blue button that says start for $35. Go ahead, click that blue button. Awesome. Now all you have to do, come to the right and fill up all your details here and look at the price. Just $35 per month. How do you like that? Awesome. So once you pay your $35, your own account will be created just like mine. Is that not awesome? I tell you, that's awesome. Now this is where you want to give me your HBA affiliate link. So where do you find your HBA affiliate link? Now all you do, come to the top of the page. You see where it says affiliate? Click on that affiliate section, and then you come on the left, you see affiliate fast start. Click on that, and then this is the affiliate fast start video. I recommend that you watch this video, very important. But to get your link to me, come below the video. You see where it says your turnkey system is ready. Scroll down and you will see where it says your turnkey capture page link. This is the link you want to send to me. Very important. So copy that link and send that link to me. Okay, now that with that link, once you send me the link, I'm going to add you to our team traffic rotator, and then we start sending traffic to your link within 24 hours, guys. And then we are going to continually send traffic to your link as long as you remain our team member, okay? So with our team free traffic rotator, we will send free traffic to your link, help you to get traffic, get leads, build your email list, make sales, and make you money for free. So with the done for you system, everything is done for you, right? So we do everything for you so that you can focus on the training and development of your skill, which the company. So you can our team. You don't need any technical skill. So once you join our team, all you needed to do was just to send me your HBA link. That's all, which I've shown you. So if you don't know how to advertise, that is not a problem. Our team will advertise your link for you for free. If you don't know how to promote yet, that is not a problem. Our team will promote your link for you for free. If you don't have money right now to buy traffic, that is not a problem, because we are going to give you traffic for free. So when you join our team, there is no recruiting required, no selling, no telling, no calling, no experience required. And this whole system is what do you call it now? Worldwide. It's a worldwide opportunity, so anyone from any part of the world can be part of our team. Okay, and like I said before, with this whole system, we do all the work for you for free, while you keep all the money for yourself. Awesome. So if you have any question about the HBA or about our team traffic rotator, leave it in the comment section. I respond to all questions. And if you like this video, please click the like button. Also click the share button. But most importantly, make sure you subscribe to this channel. All right. So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.